Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to add a photo of a customer to their account. So we log ourselves in, go on to sales mode, and say for example you need to store customers' photos for security reasons or for trade counter reasons or for any reason why you might require a photo of them on your system. So what we do is we go to edit select customer and we'll find a customer up here now. So let's go for this one here, like for example. So what we'll do, we need to go to the photo section here, and you can see there's no current customer photograph for this particular person. So what we need to do, you need to have a plug in a webcam into your till, even though some tills do have built-in webcams as well on the front and the back, but obviously for this particular reason I've got a webcam plugged in. So take a picture from webcam. What we need to do, we need to then start the preview. And there you have it, I'm here, hello. So what I'll do now is I'll take a picture of myself. And there you have it, we'll press accept. And there you go, there is now a picture now saved of me on the system. And even that image itself can be displayed on your sales screen as well. But that's going to be in a separate video. So whenever you swipe a customer's card or put the details in, the image will pop up on your sales screen so you can confirm it is definitely them using that account. So just a bit of added extra security for yourself. And there you have it. Nice little quick one there for you. Do hope it's been useful. Take care, and I'll check you out next time. See you now.